hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh, damn. Okay. Okay.
What it do, Meechie gang? Your girl coming to you today with a hair tutorial on these knotless box braids that I did. Now, it took me, 2 days? Starting and stopping, but this is what they look like. Ah! Why, can't say that on camera, can you? Try this again. This is what they look like. And like I said, it took me about 2 days to do it. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Alright, so y'all, I'm preparing to do some knotless box braids. I have washed and conditioned, deep conditioned, all that, and then I ended up blow drying it to stretch it out. I was in the midst of kind of, I guess you could say, pre-sectioning my hair, and this is what I have so far. Because I saw someone on a video say that you know, helps with the time. So that's what I'm trying to do. But the products I used to wash was from the line Strands of Faith, which is an amazing line. I used their shampoo bar. And then after I washed with the shampoo bar, I followed up with the deep treatment cream. This is some good stuff. And I let it stay on for about 25 minutes. I spent about 18 minutes under the dryer. Then I rinsed that out and I followed up with the leave-in conditioner and the stimulating sealing oil. I did all that and then I blow dried my hair and now I'm sectioning it. To do my braids, where's this in your closet? To do my braids, I'm going to be using the Expressions Out Tray 3 times pack, the pre-stretch. I can't say I don't like it, and that's just for me separating the pieces and putting them on my threading rack. I don't like this hair, but I mean, I purchased it, so I'm gonna use it. And then I'm also going to use the Strands of Faith moisturizing cream and some Shine Jam. So I'm going to attempt to finish pre-parting my hair, but I think that at this point I'm just gonna braid. I don't know, but whatever I figure out, I'll be back shortly. Okay, y'all, so most people start off their braids where they'll braid down a little bit and add hair, but I don't. As soon as I split my hair into 3 pieces, I add the braiding hair. I add the braiding hair between my pointer finger and my thumb, and then I just braid down. For each braid, I added 4 pieces of hair in total. At the beginning, I would add 3 pieces, and then I would braid down about 6. I would braid probably about 6 times, and then I would add a 4th piece. And then after that 4th piece, I would just continue braiding the hair all the way down. Now, if you want like extra long braids, you could, add hair. You could braid a little bit longer and then add hair in, and it'll make the braid longer. Y'all see how I'm struggling with this hair? That is why I hated this hair. But needless to say, I made it through. But it was a struggle with this hair because it got tangled the whole time. So after the 4th strand, I would just keep braiding. And then once I would get close to where my hair was ending, I would add some Shine Jam to my hair to just slick it down. And then I would just continue braiding all the way down until I finished with the braid. Excuse my face, y'all. I was really, really concentrating so hard because I was trying to make sure I got all of my hair slicked down and tucked into the braid.
Ow.
So that's it, y'all. I just basically add 3 pieces at the top, and then I'll braid down 6 times and add a 4th piece. And like I stated earlier, I do not braid down my real hair and then add hair. I add the hair in as soon as I started braiding. So like I said, I break my hair up into 3 pieces, and then I grab my hair like I'm finna do a braid, and I add the hair in between my pointer finger and my thumb. And as y'all can see, I made a good bit of progress. So I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch the rest. Alright, y'all, so I am done. This is the next day after I finished. Last night I showed you me dipping the hair and putting the mousse on or whatnot. And I tied my hair up and I didn't take it down until today. And this is what it looks like. Ooh. Y'all, I am loving these braids. Do you hear me? Like at first, when I first did it, I didn't like it. But I'm like really falling in love with them. Like for real. So And like I said, it took me about 2 days. And I used the pack of hair that I showed you in the video. I used that full pack. And then I started on the second pack. And I only had 1 row left. So that's how much hair I use, which is not bad because I actually had 6 packs. So if I want to do it again, I will. Now, mind you, I don't like the hair at all because it gets so tangled, and it's not the hair that I normally use. So I'm used to using a different type, and that's the type that I prefer. But I got that hair because it was a longer length. But, I mean, I bought it, so I'll probably use it again, the ones that I have left. But I don't think I'll ever buy it again because I hated it. Which you can see in the video, it got extremely tangled. And, y'all, it was a mess. I had hair everywhere. So, yeah, that's why I don't like the hair. But I will say I did like the way it turned out when I dipped it. Like, I showed in the video the difference between when I dipped this side and then this side hadn't been dipped. And it was a big difference, but I do like the way it turned out when I dipped it. But as far as like just the fighting with the hair and all that while I'm braiding, that I didn't care too much for. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.